Hello everyone. Welcome to Grammar Guru. Today, we're diving into some exciting idioms using popular TV series as examples. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. The first idiom we're going to learn today is hold your horses. Now, this one's great when you want to tell someone to wait or slow down before they do something. Imagine you're on a road trip and someone's getting too eager. Just say, "Hold your horses, we're almost there." Now that we've got the idea, let's check out some video clips where the idiom hold your horses is used. Keep an eye out, you'll start spotting it everywhere.
Hold your horses, I'm coming!
Hold your horses.
Hold your horses, young man. Here in Texas, we pray before we eat.
Whoa there! Just hold your horses.
Hold your horses. I wasn't done.
Okay, geez, hold your horses. Come on, people, are we gonna stand around all day or are we gonna go get a new couch?
Oh, hold your horses!
Hey, hold your horses.
Hold your horses, Dan. Hold them tight.
Hold your horses, I'm coming.
The next idiom we're learning today is on cloud nine. This phrase means being extremely happy or overjoyed. For example, he's been on cloud nine ever since she agreed to marry him. It's a great way to describe that feeling of pure happiness. Let's watch some video clips.
How is Mark? He's on cloud nine.
I am on cloud nine.
I was on cloud nine this morning.
Hey, I talked to the guys over at the Housing Initiative. They are on cloud nine over there.
How you feel?
Yes, I'm feeling good, like I'm on cloud nine right now.
The third idiom we're diving into today is snowed under. This phrase is used when you have more work than you can handle. For example, I am absolutely snowed under with work at the moment. It perfectly captures that overwhelming feeling when your to-do list just keeps growing.
I am very busy. Really busy at the moment. Snowed under.
You know what, Jen? I'm snowed under here.
How are you?
I'm snowed under, to be honest, and I've got a headache.
I'm snowed under with riddles.
No, there's no way I can get away now. I'm snowed under at work.
You all right? What happened?
Been snowed under.
The truth is, I'm kind of snowed under at the moment.
Just got a lot going on right now. And just a little snowed under with all my caseload, and Kate and I got engaged.
The next idiom is fit as a fiddle. This means being very healthy and strong. For example, he was as fit as a fiddle right up to the time he died. It's a great way to describe someone who's in excellent shape and full of energy.
How are you, son?
I'm very well, sir. And yourself?
Well, I'm fit as a fiddle. It's good to see you.
He didn't die mysteriously. He was 93.
He was fit as a fiddle, Ter.
Doc, how are you? Fit as a fiddle, thank you. I am fit as a fiddle, my dear.
How's the family?
Oh, everyone's fit as a fiddle.
Mac, look, I don't want you to fret, okay? I'm gonna get you on my exercise program. I'm gonna get you fit as a fiddle.
These are your results, Mr. Reynolds.
I'm okay. Fit as a fiddle.
The next idiom is take a rain check. This means you're not able to do something right now, but you'd like to do it in the future. For instance, if someone invites you for a drink and you can't make it, you might say, "Care for a drink? I'll take a rain check, thanks." It's a polite way of saying you're interested, just not at the moment.
I'm gonna take a rain check.
I'd like to take you out tonight for a thank you dinner.
Oh, I would love that, but I'm gonna have to take a rain check because Amy and I already have plans.
I would love to, but I'm not dressed for it, so I'll take a rain check.
I'm gonna take a rain check on the champagne, but it was wonderful seeing you.
It's impossible. I'll take a rain check, however.
I think I want to have to take a rain check on this. I'm really sorry, but I gotta go, okay?
That sounds so nice. It's just, I'm booked solid today. My head's gonna explode. Can I take a rain check?
Okay, well, I'll have to take a rain check, but thanks for the offer.
The next idiom is pull one's leg. This means to tell someone something that isn't true as a joke. For example, is it really your car, or are you pulling my leg? It's a playful way to ask if someone is joking or tricking you.
What are you talking about? We're pulling your leg, Grandma. Well, don't do that.
I'm just pulling your leg.
Maternity leave? Are you pulling my leg?
No, I am not.
I guess we'll just take all of them.
All right, boys, I just need your parents' permission. Kidding! I'm just pulling your legs. Come on over to the register.
I think he's pulling your leg.
I'm pretty sure they were pulling your leg.
I'm sorry I pulled y'all's legs.
You sure about this? You're not pulling my leg.
Mom, Dad didn't get dinner.
What? Do you think maybe he's pulling your leg?
The next idiom is going cold turkey. This means to suddenly and completely stop doing something, especially a bad habit. For example, I decided to quit smoking and went cold turkey. It's a way to describe quitting something abruptly without any gradual reduction.
So, Frank can go cold turkey, but I can't?
Maybe going cold turkey wasn't the best idea.
I think I'm too old to trick or treat. Next year I'm going cold turkey.
This will force you to go cold turkey.
She's going cold turkey from being bad.
I gave up Diet Coke cold turkey.
Love isn't about fixing someone. I'm just gonna give her up cold turkey. I'm not gonna talk to her or see her. It's over.
I'm going cold turkey, and it makes me irritable.
You drank too much for 1 year, 7 years ago, and then you stopped cold turkey.
Dr. Drew said the best way to quit drinking is by going cold turkey.
Our last idiom is play it by ear. This means to handle something without a specific plan or preparation, adapting as you go along. For example, I don't have a set plan for the weekend. Let's just play it by ear. It's a way of saying you'll decide on the spot based on the situation.
Are you coming back tomorrow? Probably. We'll play it by ear.
So let's just play it by ear, see where the afternoon takes us?
So when are you getting back from Florida?
Oh, I don't know. Play it by ear. Why?
How about we play all that by ear?
Coop, that's a great idea. Why don't we do it this weekend? Can we just play it by ear?
So what do you plan on doing?
Oh, nothing special. We're just gonna play it by ear, go with the flow.
You have to deal with this, and we can just play tomorrow by ear.
So, you staying in town or you just passing through?
Kind of playing it by ear.
What's our plan?
I think we ought to play it by ear.
That's all for today. I hope you've learned something new to add to your vocabulary. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay safe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.